Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to enable Picture-in-Picture PiP mode for the YouTube app on your Android device. PiP mode allows you to watch videos in a small, resizable window while using other apps, making multitasking effortless. Let's get started. Swipe down from the top of your screen to open the notification shade. Tap the gear icon in the upper right corner to open your device's settings. Find Picture-in-Picture settings. In the Settings menu, tap the search bar at the top. Enter Picture-in-Picture into the search bar and select it from the results. Enable PiP for YouTube. You'll see a list of apps that support PiP mode. Scroll through the list to locate the YouTube app. Tap on YouTube. Toggle the switch to turn on Picture-in-Picture mode for the YouTube app. And that's it. You've successfully enabled PiP mode for YouTube. Now you can enjoy watching videos in a small floating window while using other applications. Happy multitasking!